I don't know. I don't think that's your boy. I think your boy is getting mother's milk right now. It's feeding time. Good girl, huh, Bailey?